The middleweight naked motorcycle class is currently undergoing a massive renaissance. Once considered the budget-friendly stepping stone for riders moving up from beginner machines, this segment has evolved into the absolute sweet spot of the sport riding world. Today, manufacturers routinely drop advanced electronics and performance parts into mid-size chassis. Yet among a crowded field of fierce competitors, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory emerges as something entirely distinct, a precision weapon that punches far above its weight class. The Italian word *Tuono translates to thunder, and while its name promises a storm, this machine behaves much more like a bolt of lightning. It is sharp, fast, and remarkably focused. At $11,599, the Tuono 660 factory asks a compelling question. Why spend double the money on a heavy, intimidating 200 horsepower hypernaked when you can have a pure, unfiltered sport bike experience in a manageable, daily rideable package? The magic of the downsized mill. Look at the spec sheet of typical mid-sized twins, and you will see a pattern of displacements crawling toward the 800cc mark. Honda, Suzuki, and Yamaha all use larger engines to chase torque. Aprilia, however, takes a different path. Utilizing a 659cc parallel twin with a 270-degree crankshaft, effectively the front bank of their legendary V4 Superbike, the engineers in Knoll have extracted an astonishing 105 claimed horsepower. By utilizing larger 50-ohm throttle bodies and a redesigned exhaust system compared to the standard model, the factory variant gains an extra 5 horsepower. On the road, this translates to an engine that feels alive. While it may lack the immediate, low RPM parking lot playfulness of some larger displacement rivals, it rewards the rider with a voracious, high-revving top end. It rushes toward its red line with the screaming character of a multi-cylinder race engine, offering a potent mid-range punch that makes canyon carving an absolute joy. Premium underpinnings, the Erchlin's advantage. If the engine provides the soul of the Tuono 660 factory, the chassis and suspension provide its spine. The single biggest upgrade this factory version receives over the standard base model is a complete swap of its suspension components for track-ready gold. Up front sits a fully adjustable 40-thream Erchlin's Nix 30 fork, paired with an Erchlin's SDX 46 shock out back. This is not a cosmetic upgrade, it transforms the ride. Weighing in at a featherlight 399 pounds wet, the Tuono boasts a spectacular power-to-weight ratio of just 3.8 pounds per horsepower. On a winding backroad or technical road course, this lightness combines with the sophisticated damping of the Erchlin's components to create a near-telepathic handling experience. The motorcycle requires minimal effort to turn, yet it never feels flighty or nervous. It tracks through corners with beautiful balance, keeping its sticky Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV rubber firmly glued to the tarmac. Stopping power is equally elite. Aprilia fits the bike with dual 4-piston, radial mount Brembo calipers, clamping down on large 320mm floating discs. The initial bite is strong and confidence-inspiring, offering progressive deceleration without a hint of brake fade, even under the intense thermal stress of a track day. Brains to match the brawn. To manage this level of mechanical grip and performance, Aprilia pulled directly from its MotoGP racing department, equipping the Tuono 660 factory with its proprietary Aprilia Performance Ride Control, a PRC electronics suite. Powered by an advanced 6-axis inertial measurement unit, EMU, this system gives the midsize machine an electronics package that matches Flagship Superbikes. Riders are treated to multiple preset and customizable ride modes, multi-level traction control, cornering ABS, adjustable engine braking, launch control, and wheelie control. Crucially, the wheelie control operates independently of the traction control. This allows sport riders to back off the wheelie intervention for some front-wheel lifting fun while maintaining a safety net of traction control mid-corner. All of these settings are managed through a crisp, 5-inch color TFT display that utilizes the same intuitive navigation menu found on Aprilia's flagship superbikes. The package is completed by a bidirectional quickshifter. While the shifter requires a deliberate, firm click at the lever, it rewards the rider with seamless, instantaneous gear changes up and down the gearbox without ever needing to touch the clutch. The everyday reality of ergonomics. Historically, naked bikes are stripped-down sport bikes with high handlebars, leaving the rider completely exposed to the elements. The Tuono family has always broken this mold by retaining a frame-mounted front cowl and a modest windscreen. This design quirk provides surprising wind protection at freeway speeds, making long-distance commutes significantly less fatiguing. Ergonomically, the Tuono 660 Factory is essentially the track-ready RS 660 Supersport with a comfortable upright handlebar and minimal bodywork. The foot pegs are placed relatively high to maintain maximum cornering clearance on the track, meaning the cockpit can feel slightly snugger than a relaxed standard cruiser. However, the 32.3-inch seat height and natural reach to the bars create a commanding, upright riding position that allows you to scan traffic during the week and hunt apexes on the weekend. Finding the sweet spot. The Tuono 660 Factory operates in a unique rarefied air. Exotic middleweight options from competing Italian brands often wander into the $15,000 to $19,000 price bracket. On the other hand, the high-volume, budget-friendly Japanese middleweights cannot match the sheer component quality, adjustability, and electronic sophistication of the Factory. Every single piece of this motorcycle, from the roaring parallel twin and the glittering Erhlins clickers to the Brembo stoppers and the predictive EMU, works in perfect harmony. It is a highly cohesive package that offers a raw, engaging, and premium riding experience. For the rider who wants a civilized daily commuter that can seamlessly transition into a razor-sharp track tool by afternoon, the Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory is a masterclass in balanced performance. Beyond its raw capability, the true genius of the Tuono 660 Factory lies in how it makes you feel at sensible speeds. Unlike an intimidating 1000cc superbike that requires you to break every traffic law just to wake the engine up, this middleweight allows you to wring its neck and explore its limits without terrifying yourself or your local highway patrol. Every twist of the throttle rewards you with a visceral induction roar, every downshift pops with character, and every corner reminds you that lightweight agility will always beat brute horsepower on a real-world road. It is proof that ultimate motorcycling satisfaction isn't found in chasing absurd numbers on a dyno, but in finding a machine that actively partners with your skill to elevate every single ride.